My nails are so pretty. Look, so pretty. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, make sure to subscribe to be part of the Bella Mafia family. So today, I thought that I would show you guys my routine of my makeup. So what I do every day on my face. I just got out of the shower, so my hair is pretty wet and I have this terrible part. And now I just look like an alien. Okay, well anyways, so let's get into the video. I'm going to be showing you guys what I do to my face. Doing a very natural look. Now I'm going to be taking this Marc Jacobs concealer in the color 5 Perfect. And I'm going to be putting it on with this Sephora brush size 71. Now I'm going to be blending it in with this beauty blender. Going to be taking my bronzer, and it is Tarte and it is in the color Park Ave Princess. I'm going to be using my NYX brush. And that is all I do with it. Now I'm going to be taking this Tarte blush, and it is in the color Concept. I'm going to be taking that same brush from NYX. Now I'm going to be blending that in with my beauty blender. Okay, so I did say we were going for a very natural look. So I'm going to get my Tarte bronzer actually again. And now I'm going to be putting this on my eyelid. I'm going to be using this NYX brush. Now I'm just getting a slightly bigger NYX brush and just going over that just to make sure that it is blended. Now I'm going to be using my Ego is Just chapstick and putting it on my lips. Okay, I'm going to be using this lip gloss. And that is my finished look. Very simple, very natural, and I got the pretty lip gloss on. And that is how I am ready for my day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little short video of my natural makeup look. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!